Importance of exercising to lead a healthy life. Regular exercise is the key to a healthy life. It keeps our heart strong, helps to control weight, and boosts our mood. Exercising also reduces stress and improves mood. Simple activities like walking or cycling can make a big difference. Therefore, let's start exercising regularly to stay healthy and happy.